My name is Dr. Knust. I am an assistant professor in the chemistry department here at Millikan. Dalton is working on an alternate fabrication route for preparing pyrolyzed photoresist carbon electrodes. So the goal is to prepare an electrode that mimics glassy carbon, which is a material that electrochemists like to use for a diversity of applications. What it does is it provides a lower cost, more accessible route to preparing a customizable glassy carbon type electrode. So instead of requiring a clean room and the infrastructure within the clean room, techniques like photolithography, with a desktop 3D printer such as ours and a tube furnace, you can prepare these electrodes yourself.
The past year and a half, me and Dr. Knust have been working with a new fabrication method for microelectrodes using a 3D printer. It's really helped expand my knowledge, and later on, after I get out of graduate school, it'll give me another technique that I can have under my belt.
Because his devices are quite small and they're quite thin, they do print quite a bit more quickly than a traditional 3D print that might take a couple hours. As a part of this project, Dalton's getting exposure to a variety of different techniques. So he's using 3D printing, he's using pyrolysis, he's using optical microscopy, profilometry, atomic force microscopy. So he's really doing a truly graduate level research project as an undergraduate student. He's also currently working on writing a manuscript, which is an important component of science, of course, is disseminating the work.
It would allow me to be more knowledgeable about the work and be able to understand how things are working without having to do a little extra research beforehand. So it would actually give me a step ahead of some who didn't get that diversity with the characterization techniques.
I think the chemistry department here at Millikan really excels in hands-on learning, performance learning with our students, providing projects on cancer research, nanoparticle research. We've got students making a variety of soap this summer as well, so there is a diversity of projects occurring.